Food shortages are becoming a growing reality. In today's world, preparation is no longer optional. We'll provide an overview of the 7 critical survival grocery items you'll need. Protein is incredibly important in survival scenarios. Let's talk about canned tuna, its nutritional profile, storage tips, and versatility. Then we'll move on to dried beans. We'll cover the different types, their shelf life, and some meal ideas. Next up, powdered proteins including whey, soy, pea, and even insect-based options. We'll also discuss storage strategies and rotation systems. Finally, we'll look at real-world examples of protein deficiency in emergencies. Declining global grain reserves have serious implications. Rolled oats offer numerous health benefits, and we'll discuss storage methods and creative uses. Quinoa is another great option, thanks to its complete protein advantages and easy cooking techniques. Buckwheat is versatile too. We'll talk about sprouting, its nutrient density, and adaptability. Proper storage techniques are crucial, so we'll cover mylar bags, oxygen absorbers, and food-grade buckets. To wrap up, we'll look at historical case studies of grain shortages. Modern dehydration methods help retain nutrients in vegetables. Including a variety of veggies like carrots, spinach, and kale is essential. We'll compare DIY dehydration to store-bought options and share creative recipes using dehydrated veggies. Storage considerations such as temperature control and humidity prevention are also important. Lastly, we'll discuss the psychological benefits of having varied meals during crises. Honey has been used throughout history not just as a sweetener, but also as a medicine and preservative. It boasts antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a versatile addition to any survival kit. Medicinally, honey can be applied to wounds, soothe sore throats, and even benefit skin treatments. Its shelf life is impressive, especially when stored in a cool, dry place. Alternatives like molasses, maple syrup, and agave nectar can also serve similar purposes. However, it's good to be aware of market trends and price fluctuations when stocking up. Fats play a crucial role in human physiology, especially during emergencies. Coconut oil is a standout due to its stability, versatility, and even skincare benefits. Ghee is another excellent option, known for its unique production process, high smoke point, and long storage longevity. However, supply chain disruptions can impact the availability of cooking oils. To extend the shelf life of these oils, consider using vitamin E capsules and storing them in smaller containers. A recent case study highlights the impact of the Indonesian palm oil shortage, emphasizing the need for preparedness. The psychological impact of bland food during prolonged crises can't be underestimated. Salt is vital for bodily functions and helps prevent conditions like hyponatremia. There are various types of salt, such as sea salt and Himalayan pink salt, each with unique mineral content. Power spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and garlic powder not only enhance flavor, but also offer health benefits. Unfortunately, global spice shortages and rising prices are becoming more common. To maintain your spice supply, consider vacuum sealing and using rotation systems. This ensures that your spices stay fresh and potent for as long as possible. Water is the most critical survival resource, bar none. During disasters, contaminated water sources pose significant risks. For storage, consider BPA-free containers and stackable designs. Purification tablets using activated charcoal technology are highly effective. Gravity-fed filters offer features that remove a wide range of contaminants and are easy to use. Portable options like water filter straws and evacuation kits are also essential. Let's recap the essential items and their significance. It's crucial to act now before supply chains collapse. Final thoughts on preparedness and resilience. Being prepared means being resilient. When disaster strikes, protein becomes more than just a macronutrient. It transforms into the cornerstone of survival. Unlike carbohydrates, which provide quick bursts of energy, or fats, which serve as long-term fuel, protein plays a multifaceted role in maintaining physical strength, mental clarity, and overall stamina. During emergencies, whether it's a blackout, grid-down scenario, or supply chain collapse, your body enters what experts call survival mode. In this state, every calorie consumed must contribute to keeping you alive and functional. Protein ensures that your muscles don't waste away, your immune system remains robust, and your brain operates at peak efficiency. Imagine trying to carry water jugs, chop wood, or navigate treacherous terrain without adequate protein intake. Fatigue sets in quickly, decision-making becomes impaired, and even simple tasks feel insurmountable. This is why preppers who prioritize protein-rich foods often fare better in prolonged crises. But here's the challenge. Fresh protein sources like chicken, beef, and eggs are perishable. Once refrigeration fails, these items become ticking time bombs, spoiling within days and rendering them useless. That's where shelf-stable protein sources come into play. They're the unsung heroes of any well-prepared pantry. Among the myriad of shelf-stable proteins, canned tuna stands out as one of the most reliable and cost-effective options. For approximately $1.50 per can, you gain access to up to 20 grams of lean protein, along with omega-3 fatty acids that support heart health and cognitive function during stressful times. What makes canned tuna particularly appealing is its extended shelf life. When stored properly in a cool, dry place, unopened cans can remain safe to eat for up to 5 years. But canned tuna isn't merely about sustenance, it's also incredibly versatile. Open a can, and you have the foundation for countless meals. Mix it with dried pasta and powdered cheese for a makeshift tuna casserole, combine it with dehydrated vegetables and spices for a hearty salad, or simply enjoy it straight from the can when time and resources are tight. Its portability makes it ideal for bug-out bags, glove compartments, or emergency kits, ensuring you always have a ready-to-eat source of nutrition wherever you go. However, not all canned tuna is created equal. Opt for varieties packed in water rather than oil, as they tend to last longer and contain fewer additives. Additionally, inspect cans for dents or rust before purchasing. Any compromise in the seal can lead to spoilage. Rotate your stock regularly, consuming older cans first to ensure freshness and maximize utility. If canned tuna represents convenience, dried beans embody sustainability. These humble legumes are the backbone of many emergency preparedness plans, endorsed by organizations such as FEMA and the USDA. Stored in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers, dried beans boast an astonishing shelf life of up to 30 years. Yes, 3 decades of reliable protein sitting patiently on your shelves, waiting for the moment they're needed most. Black beans, pintos, lentils, and chickpeas are among the most popular choices for preppers. Each type offers unique textures and flavors, allowing you to create diverse meals despite limited ingredients. Lentils, for instance, cook in just 15 minutes without soaking, making them ideal for situations where fuel is scarce. Chickpeas can be ground into flour for gluten-free baking or roasted into crunchy snacks. And pinto beans? They're perfect for refried beans, soups, or stews, providing both bulk and flavor to otherwise bland dishes. Beyond their culinary versatility, dried beans are nutritional powerhouses. Rich in protein, fiber, iron, and complex carbohydrates, they offer balanced nourishment that keeps your body running efficiently. Fiber in particular aids digestion, a crucial factor when stress and irregular eating patterns disrupt gut health. Moreover, beans naturally fix nitrogen in the soil, making them valuable assets for survival gardens once conditions stabilize. To store dried beans effectively, transfer them from original packaging into Mylar bags or food-grade buckets equipped with oxygen absorbers. Label each container with the purchase date to facilitate proper rotation. Avoid storing beans in humid environments, as moisture can attract pests and compromise quality. Regular inspections for weevils or other infestations are essential, though proper sealing significantly reduces this risk. For those seeking cutting-edge solutions, powdered proteins represent the future of long-term food storage. Traditionally associated with bodybuilders, products like whey isolate, soy protein, and pea protein have gained traction among preppers due to their compact size, lightweight nature, and impressive shelf life. Depending on the formulation and storage conditions, powdered proteins can last up to 2 years without refrigeration, a game-changer for individuals concerned about space constraints or mobility. What sets powdered proteins apart is their ease of preparation. Simply mix a scoop with water, shake, and voila, you've got an instant meal replacement. No cooking required, no utensils needed. This simplicity proves invaluable during power outages or evacuations when traditional cooking methods aren't feasible. Furthermore, powdered proteins allow you to store massive amounts of nutrition in minimal space, freeing up room for other essentials. In recent years, alternative protein sources like cricket powder have entered the market, offering eco-friendly and highly sustainable options. Crickets boast a higher protein content per gram compared to beef, along with significant levels of vitamins B12 and D. While the concept may seem unconventional, early adopters praise its neutral taste and seamless integration into smoothies, baked goods, and savory dishes. Regardless of the type chosen, proper storage remains paramount. Store powdered proteins in opaque, airtight containers away from sunlight and heat. Consider adding silica gel packets to absorb excess moisture and prevent clumping. Like all survival staples, rotate your stock periodically to maintain freshness and avoid waste. One of the biggest mistakes preppers make is neglecting proper storage and rotation practices. Even the highest quality protein sources won't last indefinitely if exposed to air, moisture, or extreme temperatures. Oxygen is the enemy of shelf-stable foods, causing oxidation that leads to rancidity and spoilage. To combat this, invest in high-quality oxygen absorbers and desiccants. Place these inside Mylar bags or vacuum-sealed jars to create an anaerobic environment that preserves nutrients and extends shelf life. Equally important is implementing a rotation system. Many people stockpile food but fail to consume older items first, resulting in expired supplies and wasted money. Designate specific areas of your pantry for different categories of food, labeling each container with clear expiration dates. Adopt a first-in, first-out approach, consuming items purchased earliest before moving on to newer acquisitions. This ensures nothing goes to waste and maintains a steady supply of fresh, usable food. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of regular inspections. Check for signs of pest activity, mold growth, or compromised seals. Address issues promptly to prevent contamination from spreading to other supplies. Remember, preparation isn't just about acquiring resources, it's about curating them thoughtfully and responsibly. History provides sobering lessons about the consequences of protein deficiency during emergencies. Take, for example, the siege of Leningrad during World War II. Cut off from external supplies for nearly 900 days, residents faced starvation as food stocks dwindled. Without sufficient protein, malnutrition became rampant, leading to weakened immune systems, muscle wasting, and cognitive decline. Those who managed to survive did so largely thanks to makeshift rations containing whatever scraps of meat, fish, or legumes could be salvaged. Closer to home, consider Hurricane Katrina in 2005. As floodwaters submerged New Orleans, access to fresh food disappeared almost overnight. Survivors reliant on canned goods and packaged snacks soon experienced fatigue, irritability, and diminished physical capabilities, all symptoms of inadequate protein intake. Those fortunate enough to secure protein-rich MREs, meals ready to eat distributed by relief agencies, fared far better, underscoring the vital role protein plays in sustaining life under duress. These examples highlight the stark reality. Without reliable protein sources, survival becomes exponentially harder. By prioritizing shelf-stable proteins in your preparedness plan, you equip yourself with the tools necessary to endure and thrive, no matter what challenges arise.